Hello, this is Michael Vendrick from Hill Country Honda in San Antonio, Texas, presenting the award-winning pre-owned 2018 Cadillac CTS in Raven Black. Excellent choice. You have great taste. The first thing that I want to highlight here is the LEDs. We also have parking sensors, projector beam headlamps. Here is a view of the front, and I am going to be as comprehensive as possible. Now, you will see some spots on the vehicle like this. We live in a heavily limestone soil region of the United States, and every time Mother Nature rains on our parade, she leaves that little limestone evidence. That washes off. Tint, chrome handles. These tires are nitrogen filled as part of the Hill Country Honda Advantage package. That package includes a ceramic paint coating, ceramic window tint, interior fabric guard, low jack connected services application, as well as the nitrogen filled tires. We have 1 year of total tire and wheel protection. And there is an extra 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain and air conditioner warranty tacked onto this vehicle. Remainder of the factory warranty, where applicable, with a General Motors or Cadillac dealership. Factory sunroof and partial panoramic moonroof. There's a lot of little spots here that are just where bugs have flown over and decide that they want to fertilize this beautiful vehicle. I'm thinking that this vehicle needs no extra fertilization. She is powerful enough as she is. Pun intended. Comes with 2 keys. Each one has the remote start feature, and each key is designated driver 1 or driver 2, and will show up in the instrument cluster screen. So remote start. We have all-weather mats and carpeted mats back here. Jack, tire tool, etc. located under there. There is a cargo net. We install these at the point of purchase. Dual chrome exhaust tips. In my honest opinion, from what I see of the body, it is in fantastic condition. We do have a blind spot monitor here. Comprehensive view at the top of the vehicle. Shark fin antenna for satellite purposes. I'm going to start from the back and work our way to the front. Wood grain. Cadillac door sills. Beautiful leather. Looks like it's really never been set in. And my nose is telling me that this vehicle was previously owned by a non-smoker. There's the total compromisation of the regular sunroof and the panoramic moonroof. Rear climate control. Of course, this will fold down right here and give you that. A little storage space. Cup holder. And there is a pass-through through the rear. 3 3-point safety belts, latch system for child safety seats. Outstanding condition thus far. That's where you can lock the door and step away. All right. So, as Cadillac is well known for, that name speaks for itself. We have memory seating, power locks, windows, and mirrors, but you would not expect anything less. Power seats on both driver and front passenger. All right, so this is where I'm going to close the door and get inside. First of all, I'm going to turn the volume down. I don't know if you can hear it through my Android phone, but it sounds pretty darn good. All right. Trying to figure out the volume here. There we go. I'm just going to leave it on. I'm enjoying the sound. All right. We have Bluetooth microphones, a home link for a garage door opener. Good old OnStar. Okay. Let's take a look in the glove box real quick. Not sure how to open that. Aha! There's something here. Oh, that's just the hinge. Well, I'm not really sure how to open it, but I'm sure there's a button that we can push to make that open. The interior is amazingly clean. It's been very well taken care of. So here's the instrument cluster that you can cycle through for different information. Showing that the remote key needs a little CR series battery. They're really inexpensive at Walmart. Tire pressure. So you can just cycle through here and get whatever information that you need. Pretty self-explanatory. Tire pressure is spot on. We will send you home with a full tank of gas. And as of the shooting of this video on Wednesday, October the 13th, 2021, that is the actual mileage. Heated leather wrapped steering wheel. Here are the controls on the right side and the controls on the left side. Touchscreen all the way here. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, also a factory navigation system. Let's check the backup camera and see what we have to work with. I just felt the movement in the seat. So this is one that will nudge you when you have it in reverse, or your seatbelt's not on, or if you're drifting out of your lane. We also have the bird's eye view. The camera has a moving grid as well. We have several different views as well. So I'm going to pop this back into park. You have your different modes here. Looks like we got heated cup holders. Of course, this slides back. 12-volt power point here. That folds down. Auxiliary, USB, etc. Over here we have the electronic parking brake, and this will, of course, brighten or dim the instrument cluster. Very, very clean vehicle. Ooh, cooled seats, heated seats, of course. It's a fun ride, very much performance oriented. We have the paddle shifters, the wipers, push button start, automatic headlamps. Nice vehicle. I like it. I think you will too. Won't get one like this very nice at Carvana, that is for sure. I will upload this to YouTube. I will text you a link and you can take a look at it. I will follow up with a phone call with this amazingly beautiful Raven Black 2018 Cadillac CTS. Excellent choice. You have great taste. And just imagine how you are going to feel when you're finally sitting behind that wheel.